Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discover Your Own Urja with Shameen. That's me. If you like my video, please subscribe to it and please share it with your family and friends. So today I'm going to talk about parenting styles. How do we develop our parenting styles? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Have you ever thought? Probably not. Because most of the time we are operating out of the downloaded belief system or downloaded parenting style from our parents. Many a times we use the same words that our parents have used with us while they were bringing us up. They could be negative, they could be positive. Some of us have polarized. So what is polarization? So let me explain to you. If I've had a very disciplinarian parent, then what happens is I may not feel happy with that kind of discipline. And so what I could do is I could go to the other polar opposite in thought process. Meaning, in my mind, I am thinking, if I become a parent, I am not going to behave like my mother or like my father. I am going to allow my child to do whatever it wants to. Let me tell you, both the styles are not on the way to success. Because polarized parenting style is only overcompensating my desire as a child to be fulfilled through my child. Doesn't work. Think about it. And adopting what my parents did exactly in today's day and age, will it work? Think about it. I don't think so. Because that day and age was different. This day and age is different. Those days, I'm talking about my days as a child. Those days, there were no parenting lectures that my parents attended. And so, there was no, of course there is no thumb rule to bring up children because each one is a unique child. Right? So, then what is the right parenting style? If a polarized parenting style is not good, if a downloaded parenting style is not good, then what is good? So what is good is what is appropriate in today's day and age. So, in terms of appropriate, we have to understand the kind of social fabric we are living in. The way the world is going ahead. We can't tell our child to not do certain things because our parents told us not to do. At the same time, we cannot allow our child to do everything that others are doing. So what do we do? So I believe in moderation, the midway. That is the best way. Taking the best from both the styles. So, a little strength from my autocratic parents is discipline, but not very strong discipline. Discipline which is firm, but polite. And polarized parenting style, I would say, is a no-no because that is satisfying my desires through my child. Doesn't work. I may be loving dance, but what if my child does not like it? I can't thrust it upon him, right? So these are the things we need to keep in mind and we need to understand what is my parenting style. If we want to be conscientious parents, aware parents, informed parents, then we need to look at the developmental milestones of our children and accordingly create expectations of his behavior. Another thing is that our children basically are a reflection of us. So we may tell the child, don't watch television, don't play video games, but what are we doing? Even if it is work, we are glued with our mobile phones. How can we tell our child to not? So practice before you preach is one big thing that we need to remember. Difficult though, but we can't have double standards. That Papa is watching news, so the news channel will be on, but you can't watch TV. Doesn't work. So the child may comply out of fear, but it's not absorbing the value. And there is no value in it. There is convenience. So many a times when our child is not eating, we instantly say, okay, let us put on this animated program or a YouTube video and my child will start eating. Again, this is convenience. So coming back on parenting style, I know I digressed, but this is my area of strength, and so I love children. That's why I always go into that loop. Yes, so coming back to the parenting style. Parenting style, a democratic and a positive parenting would be the best way to bring up kids. Democratic parenting style and positive parenting style. I will definitely talk about it in my next video. Look out for my next video on positive parenting and democratic parenting. Bye for now. Thank you.